The Small Business Big IT Challenge aims to showcase how our existing SMBs are taking their business to the next level with technology. It also allows our participants to win HP products and solutions powered by Intel up to Rs 4,50,000 and a free consultation on small business.
With Make ID Happen, see real results. The objective between Intel and HP is to really show the business and value in investing in technology. And I think the real fundamentals behind it is to empower the businesses, the small businesses, help them achieve real results while they leave their IT worries to us.
We would like to introduce the winner of Small Business Big IT Challenge, ICPI Train to Teach Online in Chandigarh, India.
Hi, I'm Sarabjit Pannu, Course Director at ICPI Train to Teach Online. Our vision is to transform the landscape of education by bringing in e-education live at the doorstep of the teacher and the taught through cutting-edge technologies. Our core IT challenge has been and continues to be addressing the digital divide in this country, wherein we find that people are not yet used to thinking in terms of webinars which happen on the screen, on the computer, or thinking of e-learning, or thinking of e-teaching, or e-training for that matter. So, idea is to reach out to these people at the ground level so that we can physically penetrate schools, colleges, institutions, wherein we can demonstrate through the portable technology what e-teaching and e-training is all about. I would like to thank HP and Intel from the bottom of my heart, because they have provided us the necessary hardware in terms of 4 desktop PCs, 3 laptops, and wide array of other products which are connected with education. You see, now that the products have been installed, now we anticipate that we'll be hiring people who would be going in the field at the village level and at the district level, where they will be interacting with schools, colleges and other institutions to show them what e-teaching and e-training is all about. And with this intervention, we will be addressing the digital divide in this country. And looking at the future, I would say that we will be helping to demolish illiteracy in this part of the world. Of course, our mission to continue to participate in this whole process will keep expanding. The model that we have created today will be the model that is going to expand and be replicated in time to come.